Yo, today I am working on this Corvette. We're going to be polishing and giving it a 3-year ceramic coating. We just gave it a wash in the sun. It is 2 p.m. We started kind of late today, so I'm just waiting for this paint to be a little bit cooler before we start clay barring it. When the paint is too hot and you do anything to the paint, it scratches more because the clear coat is softer, etc., etc. So we want to wait until the paint is cooler. In the meantime, I am also going to be cleaning out my Cobb air filter, Cobb intake. So I did go to Toge today to buy myself a air filter cleaner and air filter oil. It has been way too long since I've cleaned it, so I will be giving it a clean, re-oiling the filter and reinstalling it. I was able to get myself a Boomba bypass valve. I will be doing an unboxing slash video for this a little bit later. It is the red one. We will find out. Start this video a little bit after I started working on the thing. I took off this shroud. I believe I will be replacing this soon. I feel like it doesn't bring as much air as I want into my intake, so I will be replacing this with an aftermarket one. I will have to do some research. I'm not sure what I will be replacing it with. So far I just gotta take this nut off and I will remove the heat shield. All right, so I got this off. It is just 6 hexagon like Allen key screws. Now we gotta take this one off, this clamp, loosen it, take this off and dust it out and give it a little clean. Loosening this clamp, you can just pull it right out. I'm gonna use some compressed air. I'm gonna blow it. Take my compressed air. After you spray it out, hit this with the air filter cleaner from Cobb. After you're done spraying it, let it sit for 15 minutes and we'll rinse it out with some warm water. All right, so I am letting this air dry naturally. I have it in the sun. It says don't dry it artificially, so don't blow dry it with a heat gun or a hair dryer or anything like that. Just keep it out. Make sure it's fully dry before you reinstall, or your intake is going to have water and your engine's going to blow up. So don't that. So I'm just going to wait. If it's not dry by tonight, I'm going to take the cop car home, and then I'll be back tomorrow to put it back on my car. So in the meantime, we are working on Z06 or Z06 if you're American, but we're not American. So what we're gonna do here first is break our ankles clearly, but then after we break our ankles, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a test panel quickly to find out which pad we're gonna use. We always start with the white one because that is the most standard, right in the middle. So before we put it back on, this Cobb is an oiled filter, so I will be using this to oil my filter, air intake. I'm not quite sure exactly how much I'm supposed to use, but I'll be gentle with it because I'll probably just reapply it later. Yeah. All right, fill is done with this panel. Now we're going to just double check how it is. The paint of this car was in pretty decent condition when we looked at it. It does have swirls and scratches, but this car is only summer driven, so the paint is not bad.
Today we shall be using the white pad. Chasing minor defects where all the swirls are gone. They're pretty nice good clarity, it's not cloudy or hazy.
All right, Phil, show us. Wow, look at that.
All the swirls are gone. Let's go before.
Okay, so before, looks like that. If you follow the light, I always say if you follow the light, you're gonna see the scratches, these little cuts and stuff like that. And what we do is we get rid of that. And here we go. do have to finish this car for tomorrow. Thank you for watching the vlog again. I know this one was short. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Send a comment, and you'll be seeing more from me later. Peace.